Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to share your screen on Google Meet. So it is very important to know before creating a meeting or joining a meeting, suddenly you want to share your presentation or your boss or your colleague asked you to share your screen and you do not know how to share your screen on Google Meet. It is really very embarrassing. Though it is not very hard, it is very easy to do so. You are in a meeting right now and you can see the camera, the microphone, and in the middle, you will find an option called present now. Just look at this icon. Just look for this icon present now, and you just need to click on that. And the moment you click on that, you can get three options where you want to share your browser. So if I'm using Google Chrome, I'll get Google Chrome here. Since I'm using the Microsoft Edge, it's asking me to share this. And you can also select the window, whatever the window is opened, that will be shown in the Google Meet. And if you want to share the entire screen in Google Meet, you can select the entire screen. All right, so it depends on you what exactly you want to share, and you just need to click on share and you will start sharing your screen. And in the same manner, when you want to close it, you just need to click here and your screen sharing will be ended. So this is how you can share your screen on Google Meet. Please do let me know in the comment section if you have successfully shared your screen, and if you have any issues, please do let me know. I'll try my best to fix your problem. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.